How to fix microphone won't work on iPhone after the iOS 17 update. So if you want to fix your microphone won't work on your iPhone after the iOS 17 or 18 update, then what you need to do is you just need simply go and restart your device. So after updating your system or your software, you need to go and update. After updating, it will fix your problem. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next solution is you need to open up your settings. After opening your settings, scroll down, go with privacy and security. Under privacy and security, scroll down again, go with the microphone section. Under microphone, make sure that you've allowed all of the access to your microphone. After that, go back, and here you may have accessibility. So just go back again, tap on accessibility. Under accessibility, you will have audio or visual option. Tap on it and make sure to turn off phone noise cancellation. If you have noise cancellation option or phone noise cancellation, you need to go and turn it off. After turning that off, you need to make sure to turn on your headphone accommodations. So go with headphone accommodations and then go and turn it on. And again, go back, and here you need to scroll down again. Go with screen time. Under screen time, scroll down again. Go with content and privacy restrictions. Under that, you need to scroll down again and you will find microphone. Tap on it and make sure that your microphone is allowed for all of the applications. Now you can go back again and restart and your problem will be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can go back, go with your general under your settings, scroll down, go with transfer or reset iPhone, and then tap on reset and reset all of your settings or all of your network settings, and it will fix your problem. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.